G'day, here's a parcel of mostly seam opal from Lightning Ridge. Rules in millimetres, and it's brought to you by OpalShop.com.au. These are larger pieces, as you can see. Well, most of them are. There's still a few little bits amongst it, but it is what it is. We'll zoom in. Okay, as you can see, some of these are quite a little bit larger than normal, up to only 20 mils in length. Some still have a bit of sand and clay on them. In a lot of cases that's so hard for us to continue tumbling would mean that you just end up with nothing. But, the idea of this material is good that you can hold it in your hands rather than just having to dop it up. Different size pieces. Some have a bit of colour in them. It's almost bordering on sunflash type material, semi-crystal. It's looks like a bit of Andamuka matrix, that piece. It's crept in there somehow. That quite often happens. Material has come from a cutter or from a miner that does it. A lot of them will have other material that they work on as well, and then sometimes it gets a little bit mixed. A bit like that's not very useful. It's too much clay. Colour bar underneath the surface there, that might go somewhere. Like I said, it's a practice parcel. A little bit of crystal, a few smaller, better pieces. Might be worthwhile slicing that a couple of times. You might end up with sunflash. Not showing much there at present. These smaller pieces at the bottom have got a bit more colour. It's quite a little bright piece. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.